So, for all the seekers who are learning in this journey on earth via romantic connections, one thing is very, very, very important. I think a couple of things are important, but this one thing is very, very important, and that is to always, always, always keep your connection strong with Source. Because no matter what you do, no matter what people make you do, or what your programming is all about, it's fair to say that your life actually happens the way things are written for you. Everything is predestined, and there's nothing that happens out of whatever is written. Without God's wish and will, nothing happens. So all the situations that you're facing, all the things that you're going through, it's happening with God's wish and will. Now, it may seem a bit unfair, like, why is this happening to me? Why am I going through this? Because, like, everybody goes through something and everybody has something to deal with. It's just that grass is always green on the other side. When we look at other people, we think, oh, this person's life is really amazing and mine is not. But the other person could be suffering from some other issue, which that person thinks is very difficult to deal with in that given time frame and context. So the best way to really work through everything is to have a bond with Source. With Source. Always a bond with Source. And Source, if you break it down, is the father energy and the mother energy. It's the divine masculine energy and the divine feminine energy. Okay? And divine feminine is divine father, and divine masculine or DM is actually divine mother energy. When you make peace with yourself, when you make peace with God, or when you hold God's hand, when you say to yourself all the time that no matter what happens to me, God is with me, God is taking care of me. Okay, this situation is not good, but I'm gonna get out of it. This shall too pass. And no matter what happens, I will figure out a way, a solution, because Source is with me, because God is with me. And that strong faith that everything eventually happens for my good, and that no matter what it is, it's a lesson. I know it's very painful, it hurts sometimes, and I've been in that place, and I still have to figure things out for myself as well, because healing is not just that you are healing other people, you're always healing yourself as well. But even in that, and this is coming from experience, looking at all the past situations, I can say that whenever you have this strong faith that things will be fine, and you don't choose the bad company, you don't please the wrong people, you just follow your gut, you just follow your heart. Your gut is your father energy, okay, your confidence, and your intuition, your third eye, is your mother energy, and in the center you have heart, okay, like the heart chakra. Now, without this energy, without the confidence, look at all the people in the world. It's not about the skills, it's not about the talents, it's not even about the looks. It's nothing. It's always that works in favor of people is how much confidence they have. Okay? Confidence sells everything on this planet. Okay? So if you work on this part, on your confidence, because you look at all the scammers, look at all the bad people, look at all the narcissists, they use the same confidence. Okay? But good people don't use that much confidence as much as bad people are using it, as much as the evil people are doing it. So you work with God energy, you work with your Source energy, your confidence will go up. You will not need... Wow, we have crackers bursting right now. Alright, I know, thank you people. Thank you God. So you get it, okay, use your confidence. Take help of God. Always, always, always.